Guys, I've been here before and I can tell you that there's a higher than 50% possibility that the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins can continue running. I'm sorry for shorts, to be honest with you. And it's so fun and engaging to see this price pattern that it is basically a bull pennant, as we are indicating and seeing in the last couple of minutes. It's forming like this, basically telling us, for the first time, I'm seeing here on the website, on the Fear and Greed Index for Bitcoin, that it's neutral. Like the last time I saw neutral was, I don't know what, sometime in 2022, October, or even summer. It's been a while. And check this out. Obviously, no longer on basically a fire sale, right in the middle of the buy zone. So what's popping, everybody? I am extremely grateful to see this type of movement. At the moment of this time right now, Bitcoin has a 20 billion volume in the last 24 hours. It had, once it was running, 40 billion volume in the last 48 hours. Ethereum reached like an upside of 16 billion. Right now it's like 6 billion. Shiba Inu, roughly 616 million. And Terra Classic, just to mention another, was 300 something million. And it is amazing to see the type of volume that we are perceiving. That is incredible, because finally we're saying, hey, buys are winning. And gosh, like, can this be the breakout that is going to take us to the next level? Because now let's go ahead and go to the weekly on Bitcoin. We're right here. This is extremely important if you're looking ahead, because this is basically the time for the sellers to say, hey, cheers, that's the bull trap that we were creating for you. But the bull pattern, the buying pattern is very strong to the upside, basically saying, hey, we are now looking ahead probably sometime in the mid-20s, early 20s, not just in the 21,000. And you're seeing right now 20, we're heading to 21,000. So there's a lot of things going on, and I'm pretty excited that it is the very beginning of the week. We're just starting Sunday, right? I mean, Sunday, Monday starting. Last week was huge for crypto. Everything was popping up, and it just tells you, right, that even, I don't know if you're watching, probably not, who knows, but Miss Universe now is going to be in El Salvador, right? The next one. And El Salvadorian Miss Universe woman, she was wearing Bitcoin dressing. I'm like, wow, that's so cool. I wasn't watching, but it's all over Twitter, right? At crypto Twitter. What does that tell you? That the branding, that the influence of Bitcoin is now, going through more countries, and of course El Salvador pivoting that adoption, and that's what we liked, everyone. Lastly, if Bitcoin thrives and wins, the next point for Bitcoin to reach sometime here, because once we break these levels right here, the 30s, it's gonna go like that, because there's really not much resistance. Look, this is 2020. This is the boom cycle of 2020 right about here. So once this breaks, there's really not much resistant consolidation to go other than this one in the 20s. So if you guys were waiting forever, this is just a recommendation, right? Not financial advice. Hey, you might not even have a chance once a run really serious comes, although we are understanding that, hey, is this really the bear market? I don't think, like, you don't see it, right? Because we've been here, look at this, since November, October 2022, even in the rainbow chart, waiting, and basically a fire sale. So it all makes sense. What a crash we had since 2021 lasted basically a year plus. And we'll see how it's all gonna end, but I'm pretty excited. Last one, everybody. Once we get to greed, it'll probably be too late. And I'm happy that I bought Bitcoin at $15,000. Like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. I want to tell you the good news, guys. Welcome aboard to a new week, and good morning. Peace.